Okay, hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to find the antiderivative of the cube root of 1 plus the arctan of x, right? And then we divide that by 1 plus x squared, and that is done over the x variable. Oh, this looks really hard, right? But it is very easy. In fact, you can just pause the video and try this first. Okay, so let's do it together. I'm going to start by doing a use of, as I said, it is very easy. So you'll see. So you start by saying let u be 1 plus the arctan of x, right? Okay, so the whole of the inside under the square root, we call that u, right? So we're going to differentiate that. The derivative of u with respect to x will be, well, the derivative of 1 will be 0. Then the derivative of arctan of x, well, arctan of x is the same thing as inverse tangent of x. So when we differentiate that, we're just going to have 1 over 1 plus x squared, right? And then the dx here, we can put it over here, and that is very nice. But you notice that from here, let's see what we can put in for dx, right? So in place of dx here, we're gonna do we're gonna make dx subject of formula from here, so we can take the reciprocal of this and then we interchange du and dx. That means that dx will be 1 plus x squared then du, right? Okay, so after getting that, we're going to put those things back into the integral, and we're going to have the cube root of, at the top we just have the cube root of, well, 1 plus the arctan of x, we call it u, right? So in place of that, we're just going to put in u, and then we say this divided by 1 plus x squared at the bottom. So let's just put it there. Then dx, well, here dx is 1 plus x squared du, right? So in place of dx, we're going to put in 1 plus x squared, and then we put the du over here. So as you can see, the denominator here and this term, like completely, they are equal to each other, so we cancel them like that. And then what we have here is the integral of u raised to the power of 1/3, right? That is that's what it means to be the cube root of u. Okay, so I'm writing it in this index form because I want to apply the inverse power rule on that. Okay, so since that is just a power function, the inverse power rule tells us that we should add 1 to this power and divide by the new power. So when we add 1 to 1/3, we are going to have u to the 4/3, all right? So that is u to power 4 over 3. And then we are going to divide by 4 over 3, which is the same thing as multiplying it by 3 over 4. Okay? So you just do the calculations, you're going to see that. And then that means this is going to become 3 over 4. Then u, in place of u, well, you know, we need to get back to the original variable. That means we're going to put in 1 plus arctan of x. Okay? 1 plus arctan of x, that is in place of u, and then we raise it to power 4 over 3. So if you like, you can do this 4 over 3, or if you like, you can rewrite it in its index form, in its radical form, right? That is the cube root of 1 plus arctan of x raised to the power of 4. But this is also a nice place to stop. Okay, great. All right, that's it. Okay, thanks for watching, and you like this video, right? Please do well to subscribe to my channel.